Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cover a black eye with makeup. First of all, I put my hair into a ponytail to show you better the process, and I start applying color correcting cream with a little brush. The color correcting cream has to be orange or red based on your skin tone. I have this soft orange correcting cream which is darker than my skin, but I have a very light skin, so you can see it's not too orange. That's because I don't want to have the stain. At this point, what you have to do is just to spread the product and apply it in all the part you have the black eye. Once I've done with the correcting cream, I do a layer of setting powder to fix the makeup and proceed with another product, which is concealer. Don't worry to use it too much. Use a concealer which is a little bit lighter than your skin. I dab it with the sponge and try to blend it as well as possible. By the moment, I didn't do my base makeup, so the other eye has not concealer on it. I will apply concealer here too, so our eyes will be equal. One of the last two steps is to apply foundation, and so do the base of your makeup. I usually apply my foundation with a beauty blender, but if you're not able to do it or you don't like beauty blender, you can also use a brush, a foundation brush. For the last step, I just do a second layer of setting powder and the makeup is done. This is the result. As you can see, there's a big difference. This is the before and this is the after.